graphic nature of this program, viewer discretion is advised, as it contains graphic scenes of nudity, sex, drug abuse, and violence. Viewer discretion is advised. Next week on Show It All Street.
Oh, Bert, they took my rubber ducky and they took our toy box.
Shut up, Ernie. I'm trying to masturbate.
But Bert, they took our toy box and they took my rubber ducky. They said that we're sexual deviants and that we're pollution on television.
They took our what? They took our toy box?
Yeah, they took our toy box, Bert. Now that they took rubber ducky and they took our toy box, they said that we're not just friends or co-workers and that we're not cooking rice roti and that two men shouldn't sleep that close together or have a rubber ducky in the tub.
No, this is a civil rights violation. We gotta call Sean Penn.
No, that they took our toy box. All we got is Brokeback Mountain.
Brokeback Mountain? Oh.
Bert, I want you to know what kind of a muppet I really am, and I love you. I love you. I can't hide it anymore for you, Bert. I love you too, Ernie, and I just want you to know that I love men.
Next week on Show It All Street. Viewer discretion is advised. Shh.